Welcome back to Willet Dumpling with YumCrunch. Today we're going to be making pan-fried pizza baos. These definitely worked well as a dumpling. The bottom was nice and crunchy and the filling was gooey. And before you ask if these are calzones, they're not. They're dumplings. Start by making the dough by combining water, yeast, and sugar and whisking together flour and salt. Pour the yeasty water into the flour until a shaggy dough comes together, then knead until smooth. Let that rest while you make the sauce. So in a pot, add olive oil, sliced garlic, and basil. Let the garlic and basil infuse with the oil, then add onion and crushed tomatoes. Season with some salt and let simmer for 30 minutes. Remove the onion and basil and let that cool down to room temp. Now cut the dough in half, roll into a rope, and cut into 20-gram pieces. Flatten and roll the dough out and add a little sauce and your choice of toppings. I added some pepperoni and full-fat, low-moisture mozzarella cheese. Fold the best you can and add the baos to a pan with olive oil. Once you start to hear some sizzling, add a little water, cover with a lid, and steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the lid and let the water evaporate so the bottom can crisp up. Then grate some Parmesan cheese on top, garnish with basil, and enjoy.